We are part of the Cardiff and Vale school nursing team and would like to take this opportunity to share some information about the services that are offered within your child's school. Each school has an allocated school nurse who is based at a central hub. Your school nurse's name and contact number can be obtained through school or through Parent Line, our texting service for parents, which operates between 8:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, excluding any bank holidays. School nurses are available both term time and all year round to ensure a service is always provided. In reception, your child will be offered growth and distance vision assessments. Your school nurse will be able to provide advice and support with emotional well-being as well as physical health needs such as continence, growth and nutritional needs. Referrals to appropriate services can be made if required. School nurses work in partnership with numerous professionals including neurodevelopmental team, paediatricians, parenting support and children's services. If you have a child who is being educated at home, they still have access to our school nursing service and will have the opportunity to have a health assessment outside of school. School nurses are regularly seen in school delivering health promotion activities or information sessions that may be required. We support a separate team of immunisation nurses who provide the nasal flu vaccination during the autumn term. Arrangements can also be made for a gelatine-free vaccine to be administered. Staff will be available to help complete consent forms and offer further information as needed to parents.
Mae'r chwistrell yn gloi ac yn ddi boen. Easy peasy. Rydym yn dîm o nyrsys profiadol a byddwn yn helpu eich plentyn I deimlo'n cartrefol.
Please feel free to speak with your school nurse with any questions or concerns you may have.